The channel WikiHow8 presents. How to grow garlic. Garlic can be useful in many ways, from enhancing a dish's flavor to just a fun plant to grow. There are many different ways to grow garlic, whether it's growing them indoors, growing them in water, or outdoors. There always will be struggles and confusion. Fortunately, this guide will solve all your problems. In this WikiHow, you will learn how to correctly and successfully grow garlic. Part 1: Preparing to grow garlic. Step 1: Find out when to plant garlic in your region. In general, the best times for planting are mid-autumn or early spring. Garlic grows well in a wide range of climates. It does less well in areas of high heat or humidity, or where there is a lot of rainfall. Step 2: Choose a planting spot and prepare the soil. Garlic needs a lot of full sun, but it might tolerate partial shade provided it's not for very long during the day or growing season. The soil must be well dug over and crumbly. Sandy loam is best. Before adding nutrients to your soil, you should know what is already there. If you haven't done a soil test, contact your local county extension office for a soil sampling kit. Ensure that the soil has good drainage. Clay-based soils are not good for planting garlic. Use compost and manure to add nutrients to the soil before planting the garlic.
Gostou, amigão? Deixa seu gostei e ativa o sininho preto para não perder nenhum vídeo do canal. Até o outro vídeo. Valeu!